वेलकम टू बिटवीन नेटकोड चैनल गाइस। इस वीडियो में आज हम देखेंगे बेसिक EIGRP लैब। सो फॉर द sake of convenience, I have already created this lab. So now we'll be configuring the routers. Let's start the routers first of all. Okay, and now let me take the console session to first router. Okay, let's go to a global configuration mode. And first of all, let me show you the interfaces. Do show IP, I and B brief. Okay, so here we have two Ethernet ports and one, two, three, four serial ports. So it says status is administratively down, that is shutdown command is in effect, and protocol is also down. So let's configure the IP address for these interfaces. So I go to configure. Oh, it's I'm already there. I'm sorry. So let's go to fast Ethernet 0/0 interface. Let's give it IP address 10.0.0.0.1.2.5. I will use uh, full class A address, right? Let's give a no shut command. So we have only one interface in R1. So here we got the message that interface fast Ethernet is up now. So let's go to exit and write. Now let's see interface status. Now status is up, and let's go to next router now, router R2. Okay, so this our router has two interfaces. Here we can see they are down, no IP address set. So let's go to config and interface 0/0. 0/0 is towards left hand side. तो इसका IP address 10.0.0.2 same class A. Okay, let's go to other port. So IP address here we will use 20 class. Class A 20 network 1255 no shut. Okay, so status is up, no shutdown command is in effect, and protocol is also in effect. So let's write this. Now let's go to router 3. Here we can see there are no IP address set. So let's go to interface. Here also we have only one uh, interface, that is fast Ethernet 0. So let's give it IP address 20.0.0.2 no shut, and this is up. Okay, our IP address configuration is over. Now we will configure EIGRP on the. If we see, do we have any entry in routing table? There is no entry. So we'll configure dynamic routing protocol. Uh, that is EIGRP. It's a advanced distance vector protocol. So we will use the command router EIGRP. Okay, it says give autonomous number. So we will use autonomous number as 1000. Okay, so we have to inform on which networks router this EIGRP should run. So currently this R1 router is connected to only one network. So let's give it this network. And since EIGRP does auto summarization by default, so we will do ask it not to do auto summary. So exit, show IP route. Currently there are no routes because EIGRP is not configured on other at other end. So let's configure EIGRP here also. EIGRP autonomous number should be same. No auto summary and right show IP route. We got the message that a new adjacency is up, right? So it uses dual algorithm. So it has created adjacency with. We can also check what routing protocols are running on both the routers. So router 1 is running EIGRP 1000 and it has maximum hop count 100 redistributing, whereas it is not required in our scenario. So automatic network summarization is not in effect. Okay, routing for networks 10 because we have given only 10 network. So let's check protocols running on R2 also. So EIGRP 100 running, auto network summarization not in effect. Okay, we have already saved this configuration. Let's go to R3 now. Router, these are the protocols that we configure. Currently we'll be doing 1000. No auto summary and let's wait for some time. Okay, we have IP address 10 by mistake I mentioned 8 here. It is 2. Let's see what protocols are running here. So guys, if we check our show IP route command, we can see that only one network is there. Why? That's because we have given here only one network. Okay, so we need to inform since we are at router number 2, so we need to give network 20 also to EIGRP. So let's inform it about. Oh, let's complete EIGRP 1000 command network 20000. No auto summary. Okay, so as soon as we gave the network 20 command, it set the adjacency with other route also. So let's write it, and here we have 10 and 20 networks both. Okay, let's do IP protocols. Now this EIGRP is running for two networks on R2, and let's check IP route over here. Now this also has information about two networks. This is R3 router. This also has information about both the networks. So here D indicates that this route information has been received from dual, that is the algorithm used by EIGRP, right? So for R2 these are the connected network, and for R1 20 is the network for which it learned through dynamic routing protocol EIGRP. So now let's try to ping all these networks end to end. So first of all we'll try to ping 20.0.0.1, although it is directly connected. Let's try to ping the other end. Now let's try to ping R3. Okay, we have 100% connectivity. First packet will drop for ARP. Oh, I'm sorry, I typed 30, whereas we don't have 30 network, we have 20 network, and R3 IP address is 2. Okay, so we have end-to-end connectivity. So that was all about EIGRP नेटवर्क. आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा गाइस? प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में बताएं, एंड इफ़ यू लाइक्ड इट प्लीज़ click on like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.